Good morning everybody. So today is the day, finally here. I feel like it's honestly been such a long process, but my wardrobe room is nearly finished. Now there's a couple of things that need tweaking and doing in this room, including some bits of the wardrobe, which I'll show you now when I give you like a mini tour. I decided that today and over the next couple of days I will get all of my stuff out of storage and out of boxes and bring it all up here and try and organize a little bit more, because I'm just over, if you're renovating your house, you will feel the pain. I'm over things being bunged into rooms where they don't belong. So I'm excited to get it all done, well, most of it done today. I kind of have a bit of an action plan in my head. I've kind of put on my phone what cupboard, where I think I'm gonna put things. I'm not gonna do a full tour yet because the room still isn't done. I've got some like electrics to do, changing the light, the blinds, just a few things like that. Also, I'm thinking about doing the island still, and it hasn't been done yet. So it's something that will be getting done in the future, but let's organize the room together. Hopefully as well, I've bought a few bits from Amazon, which are like really affordable, like organizational elements to a wardrobe room, just to keep everything a little bit more sectioned and in its place. So I will go through those things with you. I do want to put something nice like on the shelves over there as well, just so I can display some nice bits. So anyway, shall I show you now? I will also leave the manufacturers and the companies that I use to design and create these wardrobes. Obviously you guys know that I've actually been on a bit of a roller coaster with these wardrobes. Starting out with like massive companies, it was too much over my budget, and then trying to find tradesmen around the area that were also, you know, in budget but did good work, and I didn't want like something that wasn't really customized just because of the space with the skylights, like it just needed it. But anyway, I'll leave all their details down below because I think they've done an amazing job, and you know, for the price that I got them for, it's pretty amazing. So I'll leave everything down below if you guys are like in the North Somerset area, like Southwest area, and you're looking for like wardrobes, kitchens. They literally do everything. I'm actually going to get them to do me a design of my kitchen downstairs for the next stage of the project when the conservatory gets fixed finally, and we do all of the downstairs. So yeah, having like a walk-in wardrobe has been an absolute like dream of mine. You know, I saw and I have other influencers that I look up to who have their own like filming space when it comes to wardrobe rooms, and it just kind of feels a little bit more, you know, I have a proper like studio space that is designed to look like a wardrobe room. One, it holds all of the clothes and keeps everything, you know, organized and easily accessible. But it also has the mirrors and the design to kind of create as much content as I can. I know I've been really slack at the moment on Instagram and stuff, but doing a home reno in a space where you work, especially when it's the rooms that you're working in, it is, yeah, like a long and hard process, but I really love this room and I can't wait to like dress it all up and organize it. So, okay, when you first walk into the room on the right, you have this section to the wardrobe room, which it's actually the largest mirror in here, so I can take outfit photos for Instagram and things like that. So that one has actually been custom. I mean, it's all been custom made, but that one especially because they had to make the insert big enough for a mirror. And then when you go along the side, you have like this corner unit that's again like 3 more wardrobes, just to give me some extra space as it goes around. The only thing I was a bit worried about was having too many mirrors, so I decided to make sure that this side of the wardrobe room, which is actually my favorite side, didn't have any mirrors, and I kind of like the no mirror look, but the mirrors do like reflect so much light into this room, so I'm not that mad about it, and I do think it looks really nice. Like I said, I need to change the light and change a few things in here. The only thing that's not complete yet, which you guys will see once I'm, you know, organizing my wardrobe rooms, is when you open up the doors, the back of the mirrors are green, which obviously doesn't go with my aesthetic and is a bit garish in a room that's pretty much predominantly white and cool tones. However, they're going to laminate the back of these white, so when I open them you won't be able to see it. So yeah, that's the only kind of run-in that we've kind of had, and there's just like some like finishing touches that need to be done. Sorry, one of the carpenters, Kerry, turned up to finish off the little things I just said about, apart from the mirrors. They're getting sorted next, and I unboxed everything, so I'll just quickly go through it with you guys. Got this, I've got 2 of these to hang up my belts, because last time I just like wrapped them over the hanging rail, which is fine, but it was hard to see the belts that got stuck like underneath. And then I also got this to hang up my necklaces, so I'm going to pop this on one of the shelves in the cupboard, yeah, and put my necklaces on here. And then this is what I'm most excited about, are these shoe storage things. They aren't the prettiest of contraptions, but they work so well. So I just tried it out on one of my heels. Oh, sorry, they fell. So it kind of works like this. So you save space and you could probably fit more pairs in the wardrobe. I'm not sure if they go this way or you see this side. I'm gonna have to have a look online and see which way around you do it, but I got that. I also bought some drawer dividers, just so when I put, you know, bras and pants and stuff in here, they don't get muddled all together. And also, talking of Amazon, just because I've got you here, I also bought the little handles from Amazon, and I got 24, I think, for like below £20. So yeah, and they're really nice. I decided to go for the bronzier, darker feel. It's more like a rustic vintage vibe rather than the gold. So that's pretty much the haul with all of the organisational like storage bits and pieces that I bought. So shall we get on with actually doing the wardrobes, because I am deflecting. So I think in my head I have accessories going in here. So I'm going to take out this shelving unit, I think, and have belts and scarves dangling from this rail here. I then think I'm going to do jewellery, sunglasses, the necklace contraption. I'm going to put some of my batteries in there for filming and stuff, so when my camera dies I know I'll probably be filming in here, so I can just come in here and grab a battery and get going again. In here I think I'm going to put all my gym stuff, my joggers, my like jogger sets, and then in this one I think I'm going to put all my shoes in here, all my knitwear, the stuff that I won't be able to have hangers for, so I'm going to try and hang up as much as possible. Like, I'm the type of person that if I can't see it I forget I've got it, so if it's hung up I won't forget to wear it. So I think I'm going to try and hang as much as I can up, and then the bits that I can't I'll decide, you know, where they'll go. Yeah, I'm going to listen to some music and try and get started, or maybe even finished, the wardrobe room. So let's go. I don't even know where to begin. Let's just grab some stuff and come on up.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that, yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. promise all the places. I hope it means that you'll come home to me.
The camera cut out last time when I was filming my jewellery closet space, so I'm going to just talk you through what I did. I bought these little hooks from the range, and they're the ones that you just like, they're like rent friendly hooks, and all you do is pull these down and like wiggle them down and the hook will just come off. So I decided to get some hooks and place them on the inside of my door so I can stack my jewellery. If the earrings are quite heavy, sometimes they will fall off. In this case then, I won't put these earrings like up. I will just place them like in my jewellery box for now, but it will hold the rest really, really nicely, and it just kind of, you know, it makes me feel like I'm in a store and I get to pick and choose from my earrings every single day, and I get to see them all on display.
Travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope
I'm trying to like section the wardrobe by like body parts. I've done mostly things that are from here upwards on this side, and then from here downwards it's like the cupboards on this side. So in this wardrobe I'm thinking all trousers and skirts and shorts and stuff, so I'll probably have I don't know, say trousers, jeans because I have quite a lot of jeans, and then probably put skirts and things in here as well. I'll probably fold shorts up and put them actually on the cupboard space. Then in my drawers, I think I'm going to go like underwear, like crop tops and some extra tops. And then the bottom drawer, what do I have? Swimwear, so like bikinis, swimwear, sarongs, things like that. And then in this cupboard, this is going to be the dresses, the jumpsuits, the long wear that I normally, just because it's so big, and that's actually the area of my wardrobe that I need the most space. So yeah, that's how I'm thinking about planning it out. Obviously you guys can let me know if you have like a better idea. I'm really open to having someone else help me as well. Oh shit, I fell over.
something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination.
The wardrobe room is complete, and I am going to quickly show you around. I am going to do an in-depth video of like a wardrobe tour, but am I? Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? So, dun, 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 dun. So when you first walk into the right, I actually made these shelves instead of a 5 shelf. I made them 4. It took me 4 hours to do, and I need to buy some things to like fill in the holes, which they are coming on Amazon. And then if you look up, we've got a brand new light from Pookie. I've got a little bit of paint on it, so I need to go and get a cloth and just wipe that off. I actually couldn't find a light that I really liked. I wish I could have got the bigger light, however this room had gone over its budget, so yeah, I just have to be careful. This is probably my favourite section of the wardrobe room. I absolutely love this part. I think it's so beautiful. The shelving units, the way that it goes in around the skylight, I just absolutely love it. It just feels expensive. I'm so happy with the way that it's turned out. I honestly can't get over it. My mum helped me kind of do the decor on this side. I did all the decor on this side. Just learnt a few things from her. She's very, very good. But yeah, this is now my completed wardrobe room. The only thing that's going to be added will be a little island in the middle here with maybe possibly a little chair. That's going to be getting done in the next few weeks, but it's no rush, and all I'm doing is getting a chest of drawers and then making it into an island on wheels, just so I can move it around the room as and when I'm filming, so I can get, you know, get it out of the way. I don't think I quite anticipated how long things took when it comes to renovating. I literally thought like in and out in a week and just like done. It's almost like when you do something in renovation, you have another 3 things that now need doing. So like I had the electrician, and then he made loads of holes, and then I had to go and get a plasterer, and he made loads of mess, and then I had to sand it down and repaint, and like everything you do has like a consequence effect, and it has like a knock-on effect that needs kind of attention. So yeah, I won't be so naive next time when I go on to the next room. But yeah, so the next room we're tackling is actually my bedroom, apart from we can't do the carpet yet until the kitchen is done, because they'll have to access the floorboards for the spotlights. But I'm gonna do all the paneling myself, which I don't know if I'm really silly to do that, but I'm going to tackle the paneling myself, and I'm going to paint the bedroom. I'm gonna then buy some furniture and just kind of get my bedroom sorted. Then it'll be the kitchen conservatory situation, hopefully in, well, the conservatory is already booked in, and that's getting done in October. I'm hoping to get the kitchen done in November. It's just builders are so busy at the moment. But yeah, so fingers crossed I'll be able to do everything all together, and that will be the next plan of the renovation. So yeah, I will leave this video here. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll leave all of the links to all the organizational tools and things that I bought from Amazon. I'll leave it all down in the description box, just in case you're interested. I find it so much easier to find things, because obviously I've been doing this video for the last 4 weeks, but I found it so much easier to find things, especially with the shoe contraption. I'm not rummaging around in the bottom of my wardrobe pulling out all my shoes just to find like a matching pair. So yeah, that I found really, really useful. And then also the hooks on the back of my door for my earrings, I found those really useful as well. Anyway, I'm gonna leave this video here because I'm sure it's gonna be a really long one, and I will see you in the next one, which will hopefully be like a vlog. So I will see you guys soon. Enjoy your day. Bye.